In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Gibson Learn to play a guitar app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so first step is to download and install the Gibson app. So it's available in iOS App Store or Android. So go ahead and search and then download and install it. From here, we need to open it up for the first time. So you're going to be prompted to say I'm new here or I've already got an account. So for this demonstration, I'm new. Choose your age and then what is your skill level. So go ahead and choose which one. Now from here, click next, and then do you have a guitar? Any guitar of any brand works. So if you've got electric, acoustic, you can choose either. You can choose both if you got both, or if you don't have a guitar yet but you still like to learn, just go ahead and click onto I don't have a guitar. And then we need to choose your goals and click next again. Then how often will you practice? Playing 10 minutes 2 to 3 times a week is enough. So 4 to 7 days per week, 3 days per week, 1 to 2 a few times per month. Then click next again. Then select your favorite genres, so Americana, blues, metal, etc. I'm going to do Americana. Now it's going to load your personal journey here. So from here, we need to create an account to start playing. So we've got email, Google, or Facebook. Then from here, go ahead and click on maybe later. Now watch this small video by the creator here. So I'm just going to skip this for this. And now from here, we want to go ahead and if you got my guitar, play first lesson now, or you can browse the app. So now once you're here, we can go ahead and set up your guitar device and environment. So you can use any guitar, electric or acoustic. The app works with your device's microphone to listen as you play. So a pro tip here is use headphones and place the device in front of you so the mic can pick up the guitar sound clearly. This improves the accuracy of the feedback. We can also use the built-in tuner and metronome in the app to make sure your guitar is in tune and your timing is good. So once we're inside of the main page here, we've got lessons. So you want to watch the intro and then go through the basic skills, melodies, and basically come down the list of things we need to complete to get better at learning guitar. So now the first one here, if I scroll back up, is basic skills. So click on basic skills. Then from here, just let me change this. I think it works best if I have my phone on sideways. Alright, so I've got my phone on sideways here. So basic skills, so you need to learn the basics and build a strong foundation that will help you as you progress. You get familiar with the tablature and the gameplay to develop your own timing and rhythm, as well as learn to play frets and basic melodies. So onboarding, want to go ahead, if you're a beginner, go ahead and click on first timer. So now it's going to tell you as you go through, it's going to say play the finished string on your guitar, etc, etc. I'm not going to go through the whole lot here, but yeah, that's basically how to use the lessons here. Now if we go to songs here, we can check out all the songs inside of here. We've also got guides as well, so we can go ahead and enter this. We can change your skill level filter for your guide. So if you're beginner, keep it on 1. If you're more advanced, move that slider across. You can also show weekly lead here, and we've got a forum page here. So we've got a general guitar discussion forums where you can ask questions, or your questions might already been answered. So go ahead and check out all these different posts. So basically, consistency matters. So use the practice calendar in the app to schedule short daily sessions rather than infrequent long ones. And also, don't rush. Use the loop slowdown functions for tricky sections until you're comfortable for moving on, and use correct form from the start. So the app emphasizes proper technique. So this is your hand positions, fretting, picking, which helps avoid bad habits. Now at the end of the day, you want to go ahead and mix learning and fun. Part of the appeal is picking up songs you like, so this keeps the motivation high. Now if you already have some guitar experience, the app is beginner friendly, but if you are super advanced, the value decreases for those more advanced players. So this is basically for beginners or intermediate players.